Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, got a little story to share with you guys here and thought I'd share an experience with y'all. So I woke up Monday morning, bad headache, congestion, a little bit of a cough, achy, sore, really tired. And so that brings up the question, is it the flu? Maybe. Is it my allergies from the mountain cedar that we get here in Texas? Well, that's a distinct possibility. Or, unfortunately, is it the dreaded COVID? Well, because of work, I'm definitely going to have to take a COVID-19 test. And I've got one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with y'all today. Now, this is just the COVID home test. This is not proctored or anything like that, so it's not good for cruising. But it will work for me to at least know, hey, do I have it? Do I not have it? That way I can let my job know. So let's take a COVID-19 test. All right, so this particular test kit has 2 tests in it. And it's got the pouch, the cotton swab, and whatever this piece is right here. And of course, the instructions. Alright, now for this part, I am going to have to put on my glasses so that I can actually read the instructions here. Alright, so step 1, it says remove the testing card from the pouch. And lay it flat on the table. So I've done that. All right, so you're going to remove the card. First thing you're doing is you're checking to verify there is a little blue line in there. That's how you know that this test is still good. And then it says lay it flat on the table and leave it flat on the table for the remainder of the test. All right, next it says remove the dropper bottle. All right, next it says remove the lid off the dropper bottle. That's what this little plastic one was right here. So I pop the lid off of that. And it says put 6 drops in the top hole of the card. Now it's got to be flat on the table here, but I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. 6 drops are in the hole. Now open up the swab. Take the swab out. Do not touch the tip of the swab with your fingers. Okay, so I have the swab. All right. So now you're going to stick the swab. You have to stick it in both nostrils. Turn it around about 5 times. It says don't twist it. Actually turn it about 5 times in each one. It says for about 15 seconds each. Okay, now it says we're going to insert the swab into the paper here through the bottom hole, turn the swab 3 times, and then leave the swab into the card here for the remainder of the test. You're going to peel a little seal label there off of the card, close the card, press it firmly, and seal the card back together. All right, so once that part is done, now we are in the waiting period. So we're going to wait 15 minutes, and then here after 15 minutes, we're going to check the test results. All right, it has been the 15 minutes. It's actually been a couple minutes longer just to make sure. So the way that you can tell if your test is positive or negative, there's going to be 2 little lines on the card. The top line, which is your control line, should turn to a pink color. And then below it, if you test positive for COVID, you'll have another pink line. They said it could be a little faint, but you'll definitely have a pink line there. And if you have no line there and just a pink control line on the top, then you are negative for COVID. So let's take a quick look at the test results. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or not, but just one pink line, which means I do not have COVID. So I'm just sick. I've either got the flu or I've got some allergy issues. Whatever the case may be, it is not COVID. And that's actually a really huge relief because we are 19 days away from our next cruise. And if I'd have tested positive today, you know, there's always that chance you can test positive for up to 90 days after that first positive. So really glad I didn't have it. Don't feel good, but at least it's not COVID. And that's what is the most important. So just a flu, just some allergies. And that's the nice thing about these little home tests. They can at least let you know for sure. All right, I appreciate everybody following along with me today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, smash that like button for me. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.